I would say the first protocol is have a look on the website. You see a lot of content there in terms of careers guidance. My key tips are there's a couple of filters on LinkedIn that you can use. You can look at when the job was posted. Basically, if a job has been posted on LinkedIn for more than 1 week, I would say forget about it. That role has gone. That ship has sailed. Because once those applications go in the first couple of hours, you're looking at a hiring manager who's swamped with CVs, resumes. They're not going to have a chance to look at it. There's a filter that says under 24 hours. Keep that filter on. Set up notifications for that. Also, you can also look. There's a filter saying under 10 applicants at a time. So you can also be one of the first people to apply for that. Keep an eye out for roles that are reposted, because a lot of companies, when they sign up to LinkedIn, they get so many credits for posting so many jobs. And even though a job is already being interviewed for, what you'll find is that because they've got so many credits, they'll just let a job repost again and repost again and repost again, just to keep candidate pool and CVs coming in. But the interview process is already well underway there. Stay probably clear from easy apply jobs. It might be easy for you to apply, but just think how many people have also clicked on that button. I mean, LinkedIn probably thought it was a great idea to just have a one-click option that you send off a CV and that's it done. But I will tell you, again, a recruitment manager, a hiring manager is going to be sitting there swamped with tons of CVs to go through, and generally they don't. I think one of the things that we're seeing from an audit perspective is a lot of roles are coming out to market, to the external market, to show to an internal policy of having gone to the external market to benchmark against their internal candidates. But you'll find a lot, and especially in certain organizations that are going through restructuring and things like that, the candidate's internal most likely, and you need to figure out a different way to move forward with that job search. So I always say, find out who the hiring manager is. Try contacting them direct. Leverage your network. And again, that's what the Audit Hub's meant to be there to do.